Welcome to Scottsdale, Arizona at the Wipliance showroom. I'm Lee Travis.
And I'm Chris Shaw with Focal-Naim America. Very excited to come here at Wipliance, spend some time with the team, showing the Uniti 102, which is part of the Naim CI collection. This is a very special unit, being that it's a streamer, a preamp, and amplifier. It's extremely configurable, not only to the Focal product, but of course, other products on the market. It's 150 watts by 2, but what's exciting is that this product is 2 ohm stable, allowing us to get almost nearly 1,000 watts between the 2 channels of output. We have the ability to stack up to 32 of these units into an ecosystem, allowing us to run them all individually or to group as we wish, or we can have that ultimate party mode with all 32 units running.
Chris, what is the secret sauce in the 102?
Oh my gosh, I mean, this is a fantastic piece, but not only do we have the ability to stream high res, but the fact that we can configure this, whether it be used for hi-fi or custom install or landscape products, we have this ability to be so versatile, and the fact that we can multi-room, multi-zone with this unit very easily through whether it be a control system or the Focal-Naim app.
The Uniti 102 sounds like a pretty flexible piece.
Well, and when we developed it, is that we wanted as much flexibility as possible. The fact is that we can use this for our custom install line. Of course, that's in the name. We can use this in the hi-fi side of things. And of course, with it is that we wanted this to be an everyday piece. The fact that we have connectivity like HDMI with eARC, so we can tie that to our flat panel TV. We can use our factory TV remote to control this unit on and off, volumes and so on and so forth. But we also understand that our clients out there are going to want other sources, maybe a CD player, a turntable, and so we wanted to have that connectivity for this product to be a product for everybody.
In the example you just gave, we could use the Uniti 102 to then take an outdoor TV and run that through our Focal 4.1 landscape system?
Well, that's exactly it, is that we have so much flexibility, whether we use this for a 2-channel application, we use this custom install, floor standing products, or the outdoor product line that we mentioned with the bundle, the Focal 4.1 bundle. That's 4 satellites, 1 subwoofer, and we have the flexibility of being able to customize and tune this for those applications. One of the reasons that we're here at Wipliance is, of course, training the team on the new Focal-Naim Manager. And this is really, as you said, the secret sauce that really makes this magical. The fact is that within the setup software itself is that we have the ability not only to make this unit compatible with, of course, the Focal product line, but also make it compatible with the listening area itself, whether it be time delays or levels.
So what are the different installation options with the Uniti 102?
Well, with that said, as I mentioned, we want as much flexibility as possible. And so with this is that we can have this unit or multiple units rack mounted so that they can be kind of stored away, out of sight, out of mind, with full functionality. But we also have the ability to be tabletop mounted as well. So we include little furniture feet, so this can be on cabinet or even in cabinet. Being a streamer, we do require the internet of some form, and being that we are a high-res application or streamer, is that we do highly suggest that this product be hardlined to your network. But we also understand there's going to be applications, there's going to be challenges where this product maybe is in a place where we do not have that Ethernet connection. So this allows us to wirelessly tie onto the network, of course giving you all the same feature sets of the multi-zone, the streaming, and so on and so forth.
I'm not sure I want to admit how long I've been a Focal fanboy, but it goes back to a long time ago when we were both in car audio.
Oh, you're going to date us both really quickly. So.
And buying the raw drivers so we could create the best sound systems back then. Focal has come so far, including the acquisition of Naim, so you get those fantastic chocolate and peanut butter together to create the perfect sound. We really appreciate you guys as a partner.
Well, and of course, Wipliance has been a very good partner for us for a very, very long time. And again, I'd have to go back into the books to see how long it's been. But of course, with you guys coming on, not only in car way back in the day, and then obviously evolving to the custom install, and now for some of the floor standing products, and of course now bringing on Naim. This has been a really exciting partnership for us, and we're excited to see where this takes us in the future.